In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a customer to a vendor in QuickBooks Online. Sometimes, a company or person you originally set up as a customer starts providing services or products to your business. In QuickBooks, that means you now need them to be a vendor instead. There isn't a direct convert button, but you can handle this cleanly with a simple three-part process. Inactivate the customer, create a new vendor, and then move the transactions over. Let's start by inactivating the existing customer profile. In QuickBooks Online, go to the Sales menu and choose Customers. Depending on your layout, you might see Get Paid and Pay Instead. If so, click that and then select Customers. In the customer list, find the customer you want to change. Click their name to open the full profile. In the profile window, select Edit. Now look to the bottom right of that window and choose Make Inactive. QuickBooks will ask you to confirm, so click Yes. This doesn't delete the history, it just makes sure you don't accidentally use that customer profile going forward. Next, you'll create a new vendor profile to replace it. Go to the Expenses menu and select Vendors. Again, in some layouts, this is under Get Paid and Pay, then Vendors. In the top right corner of the Vendors page, click New Vendor. A form will open where you can enter all the vendor's details, like name, company, email, and address, just as you would for any new vendor. Here's an important tip. If you want to reuse the exact same name as the inactive customer, QuickBooks may show a duplicate name error. To get around this, temporarily add something small to the vendor's name, like a middle initial or a short note such as V. You can always adjust it later once everything is set up. When you're happy with the details, click Save. Now you'll transfer the transactions so they're linked to the new vendor instead of the old customer name. Start by running a transaction list by customer report. This will show you all the transactions that were tied to that original customer. Go through the list and, for each transaction, click to open it. In the Payee field, change the name from the old customer to the new vendor you just created. After you make the change, save the transaction. Repeat this for each item on the report until all relevant transactions point to the vendor profile. Once you've worked through those three parts, you'll have effectively changed a customer into a vendor in QuickBooks Online while keeping your records accurate and organized.